Welcome to my channel. Materials for today's project are polymer clay, soft foam, a face clock, acrylic paint, metallic marker, bead caps, 2mm beads, aluminum wire, and 8mm rice beads. First, roll clay into a medium ball. Place the clock in the center and then press down. Remove clock and then go over clay twice using acrylic paint. And then paint over clay using a metallic marker. Glue a piece of aluminum wire at the top of each corner, and then glue a bead cap onto each of the wires. Glue a 6mm soft foam circle on the inside of a bead cap. Paint felt with metallic marker. And then glue a 2mm bead on top of the cap. Glue clock face on, and then glue cap into place. Make a second bell repeating the previous steps. Glue second bell into place. For the legs, I used 8mm rice beads. All done. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe to my craft channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Till next time, bye!